Wix coupon code? Yes, Wix often offers promotional coupon codes that help you save money on premium plans. One of the most common and active codes is Take10, which gives you 10% off when you upgrade to a yearly premium plan for the first time. This discount works across most plans and is a great way to reduce your initial website setup costs. Wix also provides occasional seasonal discounts, bundle offers, and student deals that can go up to 50% off through verified student programs. These promotions usually appear during holidays, special events, or new feature launches, so keeping an eye on the Wix dashboard or promotional banners is a good idea. All Wix coupon codes apply only to new purchases or first-time upgrades, not renewals. They're designed to make it easier and more affordable for users to start building a professional website with full access to premium features. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in the description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website at no cost.